So here's how to enable and disable controller vibration in Call of Duty Black Ops 6. So the controller will vibrate whenever you get to different gameplay events, and you can enable and disable this feature from the settings. So launch the game, and then on your controller, press the options button to access this menu. Then use the R1 or the L1 button and go to settings. Here it is. Then select controller from the settings that appear. So select controller. Now from the controller options, use the left analog stick and scroll down and find controller vibration. So here it is. And by default, it's set to on. So to disable it, simply select it using the X button on your controller. That will turn it off. And if you want to enable it, press on the X button and that will enable that feature. So that's basically it on how to enable and disable controller vibration in Call of Duty Black Ops 6. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel.